If you're experiencing the League of Legends login failure with error code 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to see if there are any ongoing maintenance or outages. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your client. Close the League of Legends client completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your League of Legends client is fully updated. Launch the client and allow it to download any available updates before attempting to log in again. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can try resetting your router or connecting to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling League of Legends. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. Good luck and enjoy your gaming.